Hello everyone, this is a bit of a different video. I thought it'd be pretty interesting to do some videos on my portfolio. I find it really interesting to look at other people's portfolios that they post pictures on of Twitter and other places, just to see what they're invested in, how much money they're making on a specific currency or token, how much they've lost on a token or currency. Yeah, I just think it's kind of just interesting to see really what other people. It's like watching a crib video. It's just interesting to see where people live and what their houses look like. This is my main portfolio with pretty much most of my investments in, well, at least my investments I care about, to be fair. And you can see my current investment amounts in each currency. So you got Blockport is almost at 50%, Shurim at 20%, Stellar at 18%, which is just I've received from selling some of my Shurim at tokens, a little bit of Oyster and some B token. So hopefully this aspect ratio is good because the screen's a bit large, so clicking on one of these is going to be quite far away. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, clicking over to Blockport, which is tanking hard right now, back at 21 cents. I think it's 21p. Sorry, below ICO price definitely. I really wanted this to go back to this price because I want to grab some more, but I am not going to be buying more because I've dropped so much. I've nearly lost £1,000, which is quite insane. I didn't think it was going to go to this price. I was hoping it, so that's why I bought at a lot higher price. But the market has just been crashing, so it's really lowered. So yeah, that's what it's currently at. You can see all my transactions and how much I've bought at. I think the most I've bought at is 46p, I believe. Yeah, 46p. So I mean, 68 quid is nearly 200 there. 41p, 400, that's literally halved. So it's not doing good at the moment, but Blockport is a little bit of a longer hold. The beta, like I said in my previous video, the private beta is currently going on. Public, I don't know when it's due to be released. So we're just kind of waiting for the public to be released, to be honest, and the tokens utility to be then usable. That's when the price, I believe, is going to hike up, which is good. Shurim, which I did a video on before, yesterday, I believe, is really doing well for me, to be fair. I've sold all of my initial investment. As you can see, the net cost is at 0. You can see here I've got 35,000 Remit tokens available, current market value of £700. It's just £700 I got for free, basically, which is pretty impressive. So Shurim, it's doing really well for me. I think it's below ICO price. ICO price was 2 cents, was it, or 3? So it's a little bit above ICO price. The app is due to be released next week, I believe. So I guess it's just a waiting game to see how it goes from there, really. I'm hoping it to go down to 2p, well, 1p preferably, because then I'll probably buy some more, because I believe it's got quite a good future ahead of it. Stellar, this is, again, just from what I've sold. Next one is the Oyster token, which is a pretty good buy at the moment, as the Oyster team are going to be releasing a new protocol, I believe, called Oyster Shell, which is not going to be an ICO, it's going to be an airdrop for Oyster token holders, or Pearl holders, I guess they're called. So it's going to be a one-to-one, and you can have it on an exchange. So 1 Pearl will be an airdrop of 1 Shell, and you can hold the pearls on the exchange like KuCoin. It has KuCoin integration or acceptability or whatever you call it. So you don't have to withdraw your pearls to a wallet to be able to be part of the airdrop. You will be able to get them on the you will be able to leave them on the exchange to receive them, which is really good. That's why I've bought some Oysters at the moment. I'm currently at a loss for them because I think I bought 62p. It's gone down. I've got some buy orders going lower and lower. But I've got almost 1,000 pearls at the moment, so it's 1,000 shells. And once I've received the shells, I probably will just sell off my Oyster. I think it is a great project, and it probably does have a good future ahead of it. But I think most of the initial boom, the gains have gone from Oyster, at least at the moment. I feel like it's probably good. I think it's a great project, but I'd rather invest my money into really kind of lower coins, which have a much higher chance of return on investment. And as you can see here, the price that I've been buying at, so I bought some at 56p, about £200 worth, 62p and 61p. So I'm not doing too bad, to be fair. At least it went up to 70p at some point, so I'm glad I didn't buy there. And it's currently sitting at 58p. The airdrop is on the 6th of April, I believe, so if you want to get part of the Oyster airdrop, it's probably worth buying now before it goes up in price, or I assume there's going to be a dump after the airdrop, because I'm definitely thinking about getting rid of my investment. So it probably will dump quite hard, so you probably want to get in there, get out of it quick if you do want to get out of it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. B token, unfortunately, I do have some of that. I'm completely at a loss, minus 70% on that one. Really hoping that breaks even. The utility for that will go up once the platform is more usable everywhere. I think it's only available in San Francisco or something at the moment, so hopefully the utility for that goes through a roof. And I just want to break even. I'm not gonna lie, I just want to break even and get rid of it. So there you go, there's my current portfolio at the time of recording this of the 2nd of April 2018. It'd be interesting to go back and look at these videos actually to see how my portfolio is going. Hopefully I'm doing a good job in like a year's time. But yeah, if you like these videos, feel free to let me know. I probably will do these. I don't know how often I'll do them. Every couple of weeks, a month, once a month maybe. But I definitely think they're an interesting thing to do. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you got any questions, feel free to tweet them to me or leave a comment in the below. Or feel free to send me photos of your portfolio if you want to. I really like looking at them, they're just interesting. I get these the thing is with portfolios though, they could easily be lies. I mean, I could add right now, oh, I've got 1,000 Bitcoin and I only paid $10 a Bitcoin, and my portfolio be through the roof, but there's no, I don't know why I'd do that, it's ridiculous. But this is my real portfolio, my real holdings, and hopefully I do well in a year's time. But yeah, again, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this video, see you in the next one.